So we talked about with the previous example how we have 1 here, and then we pick another point a little bit further to the right. So it was an approximation that looked like that, and then as this get closer, we got a better approximation. But instead of doing that, how about we pick 1 point to the left and 1 point to the right like this? We might actually get lucky and get the same tangent slope as the one at the bottom here. Right? If you pick sort of balance point in each side, right? Do you see that? So instead of picking like here, instead of doing like 1 plus 0.1 minus f at 1 all over h, or all over 0.1, we can do this. We can pick 1.1 and 0.9. We can do this. 1.1 minus 0.9, except the difference between these two are 0.2, right? And do similar pattern. So if you picked 1.01, you pick 0.99 divided by 0.02. So this can actually get to the actual slope, actual tangent slope, a little bit faster. But in the end, if you're gonna make it really small, doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm gonna talk a little bit more theoretical. Okay. So let's say let's say you use the function x squared. And then let's plug it in as just 1 plus h, right, minus, so this is what I want to do here. The original definition from the slope, we got this. So I'm going to plug in x is equal to 1, and I'm going to just assume that h is some small number. Okay, it's up to me to pick it. So I'm going to say, hey, does that always happen? What happened before with the pattern? Okay, look, if I can actually factor this just the same. That's h, right? And then, oh, sorry, that's plus 1. We get 2 plus h. So now it's pretty clear. The smaller the h, the smaller it is, the better the approximation, right? It says our slope has a formula of 2 plus h. So if h is extremely small, this is how you say it. That's a symbol for h is approaching 0. It's getting extremely close to 0. Where is our slope going towards? Where is 2 plus h? What's 2 plus h becoming if h is becoming 0? 2. So that's the instantaneous rate of change. Right. From this form, it's pretty clear the slope is going towards 2.